What's up, YouTube? Big Eddie! Hey, we are looking at this Lindberg Big Red Rod. There's the box. I bought these at Ollie's, and a lot of people wanted to see what's in the box. So let's look what's in the box. This is my first one of these I've ever done, so bear with me, okay, guys? Got the white walls, and looks like some interior pieces, and the lid. Motor, firewall, motor pieces, bell housing, molded in white. Looks like, yeah, that's all motor pieces there. So, that is that. Now we go to the grays. Looks like that's the rear. Shows it chrome on the box, but it's definitely gray here. Everything chrome that is on that box lid is gray. There's no chrome in this kit at all. And I believe Red 13 had said that also. Carburetors, motor pieces, they're all gray. I guess they forgot to chrome them. Here's the red pieces, which are frame. That's molded in red. The chassis, rims, which are right here. Here is the clear parts, windshield, and headlights. And what are these? I don't know what them are. Unless there's some side windows possibly that go on the side of it. Let's look and see if we can find some decals, if there is any. The directions are pretty cool. Looks like you get some stanchions possibly in there, so you can rope it off. Trophy. Well, that shows decals there. Let me see if I can find some. The directions are pretty cool. But I sure can't find any decals. I guess I should have had this all ready to go, but I just wanted to open it up because I just cracked one of these open. Tires. Well, unless my two front tires are in the back tires. Oh, there they are. They're split tires. Yeah, hopefully there's not a seam in them when you put them together, but because you've got, I'm sorry for being confused there, but you got your slick here with the insert, and then your front tires are here, which go together also. So there's that. I know this ain't a good review because I'm not a model kit reviewer. But I just had several people ask me if I opened one yet, what's in the box, and here's what you get for $49. I'm just concerned about decals. I like decals. Well, you don't get them in here. And here is the black line that you get for, spark plug leads and so forth there. Okay. That is it for that box has been opened. I don't see decals, which is a disappointment, seeing as how it shows decals. And here's your chrome pieces. So you're going to have to figure something out there. Here's your motor pieces. Here's your lid. But that's how it comes when you open it up. A gigantic box. There is the gigantic box. I got this at Ollie's. Like I say again, they're $49. And that is what is in the box. Sorry if it was very confusing. But I guess you got to start somewhere. Alright guys, Big Eddie, Ground Zero. Peace!